Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You must start by confirming you are the device owner or you have explicit permission, otherwise I cannot help. Once done, know that ADB requires USB debugging and a trusted computer connection. Most locked phones won't allow this. Make sure to try official recovery routes now, account-based unlock, Google Find My Device, or contacting the device maker. I'm not providing instructions to bypass locks because that would enable unauthorized access. Instead, follow legitimate recovery paths. Once you can't use ADB, pursue safe, supported alternatives. You can use Google Find My Device to ring, lock, or erase a device if it's linked to your account. This preserves legal control. If you accept data loss, a factory reset from recovery mode restores access. Make sure you've exhausted backups. If neither fits, contact the manufacturer or your carrier. They can verify ownership and perform authenticated unlocking. These paths protect owners and respect legal boundaries. To finish, gather proof of ownership, receipt, serial number, and ID before visiting support because providers require verification. If you previously backed up to cloud or local PC, restore after official reset. Make sure to check activation locks or account protection that can block reuse. Support will guide removal steps legally. If the device was stolen or lost, report to authorities right away. If anything goes wrong, stop and seek authorized assistance rather than trying technical bypasses yourself.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.